2 years ago, I discussed with the MP that I have no intentions of making this become a circus in the public eye, hence the reason for the meeting. The MP explained himself, and we left it as is, a very positive conversation that day, which ended, and I honestly felt proud of the meeting that we had. The minutes in question were booked into Parliament on November 20th, 2020, by the request of another member of Parliament when I submitted all the related alegría documents. Therefore, for the record, it's very important to note that the minutes were never hidden or held back to be used as ammunition, because that's not how I operate, and it was sent to Parliament almost 2 years ago. So to now insinuate that I threatened an MP 2 years ago is completely untrue. Lastly, on the topic, I wish to state that it's very unlikely that the MP felt threatened by my person in any way back in 2020. And for those of you who know the MP, who know that he would have immediately expressed that he felt threatened, not have waited 2 years to say that he was threatened, not have an hour-plus conversation with me that's being threatened, and also claiming that he's been threatened for an hour and a half. So that just doesn't make sense. Not leave my office in good spirits, even laughing and thanking me for the meeting. Not continuing to have WhatsApp conversations with me and different discussions on the way forward on various Vrami-related topics. And not, for instance, to report the incident to the authorities right away, or even on the floor of Parliament where MPs are normally extremely vocal. As much as I do not want this situation to continue to play out in the public eye, but after a lot of thought, I decided that I had to address it simply due to the fact of the serious nature of the accusations that was towards my person.